Did you know a stray dog once saved 7 children from drowning by predicting a flood 20 minutes before it happened? Meet India, a street dog from Mumbai who became an unlikely hero during the 2021 monsoon season. When children were playing in their usual spot, India started barking frantically and herding them to higher ground. The kids thought she was just being playful, but 20 minutes later, their entire playground was completely underwater. India's incredible instincts saved 7 lives that day, earning her a forever home and hero status.